I've also been thinking about that truck out there a little bit, Bobby's truck. And here's what I've about decided to do, but I have no idea when it'll ever happen because I don't have the money to afford what I want to do. But I've about decided, I've been talking to Dale. He came over, you'll see him in the video here, or you may have seen him by now by the time you see this. But I'd like to put a Chevy LS engine and transmission in this truck because I think that's a 302 and it's got that EFI, carburation set up, and these things are just a pain in the neck. Even I got on a website online and they're always talking about how to make these things work right, and Cutworm kind of recommended this motor, and he said, well, you ought to fix it up, it'd be a good one. But you know what, I'm not enthusiastic about that, and for the amount of money that I could get, they're advertising that I can get me a Chevy LS engine and 6-speed transmission for about, I don't know, $700-800. And I think, man, that'd make more sense than spending money on that thing. So, yeah, that's in the list. And also once spring comes around, we get the Boston Whaler back in the water and start doing some more of that stuff again. That's all fun. So I guess the purpose of this video is just to say that life is really good now. I'm really happy. God's good to me in so many ways, and I'm grateful for that. And I'm looking forward to every day. Days like this when I can walk around here without being wrapped up in a big giant coat. Who could ask for more? My friends up in Maine are putting up pictures of them digging out of the snow, and pulling themselves out of the snow and all this stuff. And I'm thinking, yeah, bless their hearts, good for them. They're having fun up there with the snow, and I'm having fun down here without it. So I do have a couple of these things. I got this. See, this is something that's a little hard to sell. This is a bench grinder. It's got one wheel on it, and I got a smaller one over here. Bud used these things a lot of times for polishing because he would work in copper and stuff. And I'm thinking, well, I could set this up as a polishing wheel unit. Yeah, I went to look and see what people are getting for those on Marketplace. They get about $20. It's like, man, that's almost not worth going to the trouble to list it if it ain't going to bring no more than that. But, yeah. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I hope wherever you're at, you're happy. And if you're not, I'll pray for you, okay? Okay. So go back up to the shop here. I mean, I'm not necessarily through because I spent a few days out here the other day cutting and using my torches to cut up that little trailer thing that I had up here. And see, that's another thing that I've been enjoying a lot. And this garage is quite a mess, but I can get this under control up here, and I will. I'll get this in order. I've got that big giant welding table that I brought home. It's about the same size as my welding table and this other table over here. Both of these are portable, and I can slide them out. And also, that one is a 4x8, and I think if I had that sitting there, I wouldn't be able to reach my back shelf because I don't think I could reach far enough to reach over a 4-foot table. But so I still have that other one for sale, and I'll stick with what I got because it's good enough. And I don't know if it doesn't sell. If that one down there don't sell, I might think about moving it up here. I don't know. I'm not going to say for sure because I don't know. Anyway, there's all that. Hope y'all have a good day today, and I might go take a nap. By golly, I could if I want to. Can't nobody stop me. Another thing I did this year, as opposed to last year, is I didn't cover up the pool. I left it all open, and I left the pumps and the filters and everything hooked to it. And it's actually coming through the winter pretty good. I mean, I need to get a little bit more bleach. It's about time to put some more bleach in it. But it gets this stuff in the bottom, and I put my little robot in there and run it, and it cleans that up. Little robot's doing pretty good. Last year I put the robot away. I took the pump off of this thing and the filter, and when I went to use it again, the pump and the filter didn't work and the robot didn't work. So I thought, well, I'll just leave them hooked up. We'll see if they make it through the winter better this way. So that's kind of where we're at with all that. What a beautiful world it is. Thank you, Lord. All right, I'll shut up now. Hope y'all have a good day.